Guys, look at this. This is the new Mobi Lodge improved locks that they install on the new models. They got rid of the blades. I call them the blades. It's a little plate, stainless plate, that went over this with a latch lock and a padlock. And if you look at this video link up here, you can see that padlock I could lock and I could turn it on many Mobi Lodges and it would open. Okay, so that was an issue. Okay, now they have these locks. This is a compression cam lock. Okay, meaning when you turn it and you turn it more, it compresses, so it pulls the cam inward, pulling the door, compressing it against the rubbers. See there. So before I had to remove these blades and put my locks on, this compression cam locks. So thank you, Peter Barnard, for showing everybody how to apply a compression cam lock to Mobi Lodge Caravans. Okay, now that they've done it, this is the issues that I still get. Okay, so number one, this lock on this door with a microwave, okay, is fitted to the middle. Okay, so in the middle it only pulls the door inward here, and on these sides it's still being pressed a bit out by the pressure of the rubbers. Okay, so it bends a bit open. So these doors are not totally flat. Okay, it's a fiberglass door. You cannot get it totally flat. It will bend and etc. Okay, and deform. So what happens now? The corners here, if you put a light inside, you get some light coming out of the corner, meaning dust and water will seep in here. Okay, so it's not totally sealed. Another reason is there is no protection here for this rubber here. This cam pulls against the rubber and now it will rub there, and as you work with it, it will get damaged over time. Okay, quite quickly. Okay, so what happens? There's the normal lock position. Okay, it rubs here. What I do is I have a stainless plate here. You see how strong it is? I can pull the whole caravan on it. Okay, so that catches the cam that I put in, and there's the lock. Okay, so I've got protection for the rubber. I've got a compression lock, a customized cam, but this lock you cannot adjust the depth. Okay, so it's a fixed depth, so you are stuck with what you have. Okay, the depth that you get is the depth that you work with. My locks, we can adjust the cams. The depth of the cam can be adjusted inward so that you can adjust the pressure against the rubber. Okay, and this is the effect there. So there's the normal lock position of this door. Still dust and water seeping in here, and on this specific caravan, this is what happens here. And this is the effect now with my locks installed closer to the corners. Look at this. Look at that. You see there? You see there? So this corner is now pulled against the rubber, and now it seals it. So no dust and water will get in there. Have a look again. You see there? Much better. Okay, so still a lot of designing and thinking to go through when you design locks for caravans, so that you have an optimal working system that protects your rubbers, that protects your caravan by sealing it against dust and water seepage. That's how we do it. Still the best.